Today we're going to draw this fantastic flamingo. Grab a piece of paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Time for the famous legs. We'll draw our flamingo standing on one leg. From the body, draw two long, skinny lines straight down. Fun fact: the bump in the middle of their leg is actually their ankle. Now it's time to colour. As you colour your flamingo pink, here's a secret. They aren't born pink. Baby flamingos are grey and get their colour from the food they eat. Also, a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. And you're done. Look at your amazing flamingo. If you had fun, don't forget to subscribe for more art adventures. See you next time.